Hello, everyone. My name is Desmond. I'm the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide, and I'm extremely proud to be in front of you today to share a little bit of inspiration with you. 2020 has been a very challenging year, but the reality of the situation is there are always going to be challenges and obstacles to overcome, and we cannot let them stop us. We either got to go over them, around them, or through them. Now that this year is coming to an end and 2021 is on the horizon, we have new possibilities and new opportunities that we can pursue as Black tradesmen, women, and minorities in the construction field. I'm fired up. I'm always fired up when a new year is coming because that's a new beginning. We can get with our partners, we can get with our homeboys. It's time to form these new companies that's going to run the construction trade in America. This is very possible. This is in our reach, but we got to have each other's back. We got to stay motivated and we got to stay focused. So now is the excellent time. Sit down, write your goals out, visualize them, get with some people, share them with people that you respect, their opinion that's not going to be negative, and make this happen. 2021 is going to be our year, and I'm with you. The author of the Black Carpenter's Guide, Desmond Collins, is on fire, and I want you guys to be on fire with me. Let's make 2021 our year. Once again, thanks for tuning into my channel, and stay tuned while I bring you content that's relevant for the Black community, minorities, and Black tradesmen in the construction field. Thank you, and you have an amazing day.